Welcome back to Good Day. So we're getting your week started on this Monday with a home hack from Amanda.
Yeah, so if you're trying to eat healthier, your recipe may call for egg whites only. I feel like a lot of recipes do that. But sometimes it's just really, really hard to separate that yolk from the whites. So usually you do the like back and forth thing between the shells, right? So I tested a hack for that. So I'm gonna be honest, I don't have high hopes for this. I don't think this is gonna work. So I've got my egg here. Crack it. Now I gotta get that yolk out with the suction of a bottle. Okay, so. Oh, no way! It actually worked. I'm actually very surprised. Really easy way then to remove your yolk from your whites. Wow. Okay, I'm shocked. Okay, I give this hack a thumbs up.
That was almost too easy.
Easy. And the reason why I didn't have great hopes for this one was because I saw someone fail doing it.
Yeah.
And then I saw another person successfully doing it. I'm like, well, mine's probably going to be the fail one. It was super easy.
That was easy.
So I don't know if it has to do with the bottle, maybe. Like my bottle wasn't one of those like real like firm ones. I don't know.
Who cares? It worked.
You just squeeze, unsqueeze, and the egg's in the bottle.
Donezo.
Yeah.
I like that one. That was good,
I
Amanda.
think, and you always kind of have an empty water bottle sort of laying around.
And if not, just drink a bottle of water.
That's what we did.
It won't hurt.
Yeah, usually, well, my husband gets in the habit of he crunches the bottle up before he throws it in the recycling. So I'm like, I need a new bottle.
Right.
So we had to drink some water.
Yeah, that was great.
No problem.
Good
I think
job.
that worked pretty well, right?
Thank you, Amanda. Give that a thumbs up. 2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up. So the next time your recipe calls for egg whites only,
there you go.
and then I like put it back in, and then I sucked it back up.
Just to see if it worked again.
Yeah.
Oh, good.
It worked.
You were having fun.
I was.
Did you cook the egg?
Yes.
Okay.
But here's what happened.
What?
I forgot to spray the pan first. So because my husband wanted, I was like, how do you want this? Do you want sunny side up?
Right.
He's like, sunny side up. I'm like, no, you're getting scrambled. Or something of that. I think it was kind of like half. Yeah, it was kind of a mess. But he ate it and he said it was good.
Good.
Stuck to the pan
It's the best thing to say,
just
Mike.
a little bit.
It was good.
It was good. He ate it.
We'll be back with more Good Day in a moment.